If I want to get text onto my website, my best bet is to use the insert and the text box function. Now, unlike with slides, when I click text box, it will draw one for me straight away. In slides, I have to draw the text box before I start typing, whereas in Sites, it puts you a text box that is the width of your page in straight away automatically. Now, once I'm in there, I've got the flashing cursor, so I can now type, so I can add some text in. So there we go, I've got my text, and because it's a text box, I do have some options for formatting. I can make my text bold. I have to select it first. So I can make it bold or italic. I can adjust the orientation of it to make it central or to put it justified or to the right-handed. I can also number it or bullet point it. By using the link function, I can make this into a hyperlink taking me somewhere else. So that's where the text will be displayed, and I can just put in a link to another website or another page on my own website and apply a hyperlink that way. So there's lots of different options there. When I click away from it, the text box disappears. But if I click back on it, you'll see it highlights the text box again. Now, if I want to move my text box around, I've got a number of different options. I can use the handles on the sides to resize it. And notice it gives the structure lines of the website, which mean I can limit it to exactly which size I can make it. I can't make it precisely what I want, but it'll snap it to those nearest lines. So that looks like quite a good fit. Equally, I can use the grab bar, and that'll move the entire section. So I could combine a picture with this or another section or another text box, and then using that I can move the whole thing. So this one makes sense to go up near the top, and the blue line shows me where I'm dropping it. So I'm going to take it up there. Now I'm going to drag it out to make it across the whole page again, because I'm going to have this as my title, I've decided. So another option I've got, if I double click on the text and swipe over the text I want to edit, you'll notice I've got some options here. Now it says about it being normal text. This basically is my option for size. If I click in that, it gives me the option to make it into a title, a heading, a subheading, or small text. Making it a title will make it bigger and will give it a slight bit of colour to it. Now I don't have much control over the colour of the letters. That comes in through themes later on to make sure that the website is coherent and you don't have individual letters all being different colours. So those are my options: title, heading, subheading, just slightly smaller. Remember that the title, heading, and subheading also behave slightly differently when we start using tables of contents later. Again, that's the text box. I can drag it around, I can move it around, I can make it different sizes, but that is how I can get text onto my page using a text box.